Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching Digitwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add text replacements on Mac. So, text replacement lets you create shortcut for words, phrases, email addresses, or anything else you type frequently. For example, you can type OMW and have it automatically expand to on my way. This can save time and reduce repetitive typing throughout the day. If you'd like to create the first text replacement, here's how to do. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Keyboard. Now here, click on Text Replacement under Text Input section. And here you can see I have already generated a lot of text replacements. So if you want to create one more, then click on this plus icon and here write to replace. Enter the shortcut you want to type. For example, I'd like to type D and D. And here in right of width, enter the full word or phrase you want your Mac to insert automatically. For example, I would like to just type D and D and I want this D and D replaced with done. So I type done here and finally click on add and that's it. As you can see, it is now added to my list. So from now on, whenever you type the shortcut on your Mac, it will automatically replace with the text you have set here. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.